Hey, James here. Here's a little bit of a look at a prototype of a new game I'm working on. It's called MetaMini, and it's going to be 4 mini games that you have to play all at the same time. And as you play each mini game, the multipliers for all of the games add up, and they all play at the same time. So at the moment, the first one's a very simple game. You just click the square, and then it puts you up a level to a multiplier. And if you let the square get too big, it then resets and your multiplier resets to 1-0. And so by doing this, you'll play 4 different mini games, and you'll be able to add the multiplier up anytime you die on any one of the games. So your score will reset, but you will keep your multiplier for the games you don't die on, because I feel like if you've worked your way up to like 5x in one game, you don't want to have to reset that. It's a little bit too much of a punishment. So at the moment, you can see that I've put some temporary graphics in the middle of where I want the bar to be. So that's where my interface is going to be, in the center of the screen. So here will be my bar, my multiplier for the one above. We'll have a little help that you can just click on to get help for that mini game. And in the center will be the main buttons. This here will be your big multiplier. This will be your total score. And then this will just be a menu button which allows the game to be paused or returned to the main menu. So at the moment I've got 8 different mini games designed. So I'm going to have 2 different sets of 4. Then I'm plus going to have pick your own multi-mini game, so you can then set which of the 4 you want to play to try to make the highest score possible. So I hope you find some interest in this. Obviously this mini game is very simple, but I feel like each one of these 4 games has to be simple for you to be able to play them all. So to give you an idea, some of the other ones might be a simple dodging game where you have a left and right button. It might be a game where you just have to move the square around to miss the bad guys. So I'm going to try and keep that very simple art style. So that's it for this prototype at the moment, and soon I'll hopefully post up with the next mini game.